subscribe. Hit that notification for any upcoming videos of me being silly, sometimes being informative, other times trying new things, such as, or sitting and having a mukbang with you. Remember to share. Because sharing is caring, and we want to get it out there that I'm the girl who likes to show how you feel before, after she's eating. So, that's not something you're interested in. Just be sure to watch the headings because they have a myriad of interest and other videos that you can watch. So, if you see a mouth or a tongue, I meant, in the heading, mouth, tongue, whatever it looks like, it's because I will have my mouth open. So with that, today we are having chicken fried rice. Fast, simple, delicious. Have extra leftover rice. Fast go-to. So, as my guru told me, rice is life. So have some today. I'm having basmati brown, by the way. And brown eggs were made with it. And a chicken breast. So with that, let me shut up and eat. Oopsie. Also, we're gonna have a beer because we're continuing the cheer of me being out tonight, or was it last night? Whatever. That's all I got. That's what happens when you don't part right. Anyway, it's dripping from this side. Let me eat. Too many bubbles. Anyways, what is going on here? Is this warm enough yet? After all that, all you mukbangers know. Dang it, oops. All you mukbangers know. The timing tank will get set up. Freaking cold. At least for me it is. Ooh, here's the chicken. I ate a lot of the chicken. What? Did I do that? I did. I ate most of the chicken. So, through this video, if you don't see a lot of chicken, sorry. Not sorry. There's a couple of pieces that I, yeah. Oof, that light's bright, eh? All you people, creators know. damn light is. Oh! Oh, I almost feel like I have to. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Sorry. It's just that I'm living in a lovely house. So, the insulation or whatever you call it, whatever's going on, the barriers are not secure. Intruders are entering. And luckily for me, the intruders are tiny enough-ish that I capture them on traps. Stick them in water. Drown them. And hope nobody comes another day, or no, none of them come another day. Anyways. There's bubbles. Subsided a bit. Bita. Third. Who's slightly OCD? Done. I have to just spot has dropped. I don't want that to get too wet or saturated or whatever. It's already wet. That I don't mind saturating. And cut. This chicken's all right. It needs a little bit more soy sauce. I'm sorry. I just remembered somebody lied to me, saying that their lawyer was Jewish when they were East Indian. Oh, so it's good, guys. What I did as a change this time, when the chicken, I meant the first the onion, and then the garlic, and then the chicken, the spices finished cooking, I put the rice and cooked it in for a bit, immediately, to soak up the goodness. And then in which the vegetables were already, the vegetables I had put on top the rice once it was done cooking. I just pretty much steamed them of sorts in the residual heat of the rice cooking process. And then after that, what was I gonna say? It's so freaking good, I can't talk right now. But I hate when that happens. That's cold. It's not as hot. What was I saying? Anyways, this is Halloween weekend. It's Saturday. And there was a party I was invited to. But it was like short-term notice. Short-term, whatever. Short-term notice. And I didn't want to go jeans and t-shirt. Because that was kind of where I was at. That casual. Even though I'm sure that the house party would have been like pretty much just as casual. I wanted to at least put some, I don't know, decent clothes on. Just not jeans and a t-shirt. Something, you know, girls, you know us women. I wasn't about to put makeup myself, but anyways, I'm home. End result is I had a few drinks since what time did I get there? I forget. It was maybe 3 or 4 in the afternoon. And I didn't get home till they're about 7 or 8. The time that they here would have started getting going again, or I mean, as far as from the afternoon crowd, they would have done like, you know what I mean, the bar scene, right? You go home and eat. Some take care of the kids, whoever, whatever, wash up, change clothes, and do the night scene, and change into their night clothes as opposed to their work clothes and no longer working clothes. I'm talking too much, I'm sorry. This is good. It's definitely not as good having to bend over so you can see me properly in the damn video. But I love you. If you could like, definitely share. And enjoy my videos daily. Again, a myriad of varieties of things that I show. From talking to actually being quiet, which I used to do at one time, definitely when I initially had this stupid head injury. But now I'm getting back to my old self, being a big yatterbox, which I suffer later though, actually. I end up having a headache sometimes and have to go to sleep in the daytime. But I'm starting to get out of that the last little week or 2 or 3.